In this video guide, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam related to the website Tadigork.xyz. So this is a new dangerous site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This site basically tries to deceive people and to make them download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by the site Tadigork.xyz, do not tolerate them. Definitely these pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive. So do not trust them, and if you see these pop-ups, you need to simply leave this deceptive page. Also, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and so then, once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.